Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a tech review. This is probably going to be the first ever tech review. I've had some people, not a lot of people, some people comment on one of my shorts that I posted a while back, um, that they want a review on these headphones that I have. I'm really sorry if you all can hear that. They've been working in front of where I live for months and they haven't done anything, and it's really annoying. But I have this microphone. Hopefully that helps. But I'm gonna give a review for you all on these headphones. Because you all asked for it and I'm here to help y'all out. So these are the Philips headphones. I think they're called the Philips 8000 series. I don't even know. Um, I obviously work in tech. I love tech, but I'm not like a tech, like hardware tech crazy person. I do splurge where I need to. For example, I do have like a newest version of a MacBook because I need it for work. So like if I need something, then I'll splurge. But I am not gonna buy $300 or 400, however much they cost, AirPods Max just to listen to music while I'm working because that's just unnecessary. So these are the Philips headphones 800 series. I'm gonna give you a review as a real person, as someone that uses them on a daily basis. I use these every single day, literally, probably like 2, 3, 4 hours at a time. And I'm gonna give you kind of like a little bit give you a little bit like not an explanation but tell you how I use them so that you can know whether they're good for you or not. So I work in tech. I'm a remote freelance worker. I work from home, and I have like one of the main ways that I can stay productive and focus is by listening to music. I usually put the same song on repeat or like a playlist. I have like 5 or 6 songs that I put on repeat, and I just like listen to these songs and I zone out and I work. And that's how I work. I've had other like cheaper headphones, and I guess I have a big head. I don't know. I have big ears. But they would hurt a lot here, especially in this area, like just like from like pressing on the whole day. And these do not hurt. And that was like a huge thing. Like I wanted headphones that weren't gonna hurt, because I wear them all day, like 3, 4 hours. So these do not hurt. Like I'll wear them for like 3, 4 hours and I'll take them off and I'm fine and I don't have a headache. I used to have some other headphones, some JBLs and skull candies. Skull candies aren't really popular in Europe, but in the US they are. And they would like squish my ears and my head, especially this area here. They would hurt so much. These do not hurt. They are not painful at all. They are really like clunky, like they have like a weird shape. Like you can see how they look, but I don't care. Like no one's looking at me wearing these. Like I don't wear these outside. When I go to the gym to work out, I use my Oppo ankle buds too. I love these. If you want a review on these, let me know in the comments. But I love those. I wear those when I'm out. But these headphones, I only wear them when I am home and I am working. So that's a huge plus. I love how they fit on my head. I love that they're comfortable. I can wear them for a really long time and they're really comfortable. You can adjust this, like you can move all of it, you can like flip it, you can do so much and they don't break. Mine are cracked because my son, I usually have these like just hanging here on my screen. I usually just have these like hanging here on my screen. And my son got to them and he was playing with them. I don't know if he dropped them. I don't know. Or or maybe I broke them. I don't know. Sometimes my kids get, my stuff and it's cracked. I just put some tape on it, like whatever. It's just a small crack, but I don't want it to crack more. So I just put some tape on it. That's why there's tape on it. But that didn't affect the sound at all. The sound is still great. So moving on to the sound quality, or I can show you all what came with the headphones. So they come in this beautiful case. It's like super sturdy. I love the color. That was another thing. I was considering buying the Sony headphones. These are also really popular and really expensive. And the reason why I bought these is because they look like the Sony headphones, but they're much cheaper. I'll put the price up here. Um, but they're really nice. I really like the shape. I really like the color. And they come with this case, and then when you fold them up, they fit in like perfectly snug in the case. And then they also come with a charger because you need to charge them, and the battery lasts forever. Like I charge these, I don't know, not very often. Like the battery lasts forever, honestly, and I love that. I hate when things batteries like you have to charge things every day. That's so annoying. It comes with the wire, so if you don't want to use it wireless, and then it comes with this. I don't know what this is. I guess if you play like a guitar or something, I don't know. But I keep all of this in here. I don't usually like use them wireless. I mean with the wired. I don't usually use the case because I don't travel with them. So I mean, I guess if you travel a lot, then the case is amazing. It's really sturdy. So like I don't think like, I mean, obviously if you jump on it, it's gonna break. But apart from that, I think you're fine. So that's great. And then I was gonna get into the sound quality. The noise cancellation is good. Again, I don't have Apple AirPods Max or the Sony, so I don't have a lot to compare to. And then when I'm working, there's no one else at home, but there's always like people working outside or whatever. It'll block that out, and I'll only hear like my music. But you can adjust it. You can do so many things. Like it has like different buttons, there's like a guide. You can do a lot of things with the headphones. I just don't think it's necessary for myself, so I haven't done any of it. But you can do a lot with them. Another thing that I really love about these headphones is that they are, what is it called? Like you can put the volume up and down just by going like this on the side of the headphones. And then if you like double tap or triple tap or single tap, it does different things. Like you can do so much. It has a lot of functionality that I don't take advantage of, but I'm sure other people can take advantage of. What else? So the noise cancellation, I think it's fine. Maybe if you work or you do something in like a really loud environment, maybe it won't be as great, but I think, I guess I'll give you like a comparison compared to my Oppo ankle buds. These are like super high noise cancellation. Like I wear these when I go outside, like to do errands, grocery shopping, going to the gym. And like I won't hear anything else when I have these in, like at all. And these are always noise cancellation. These are like amazing. I get like really easily triggered with like a lot of people around me and a lot of noise. So these are amazing for that. These are great for noise cancellation. I haven't tried these going outside or anything, so I can't really speak on that. But I think they're really good if you're like working from home and you're doing something from home and there isn't like a lot of noise around you. Um, and I think that is it. They also have like this like little cushion at the top. I don't know if a lot of headphones have that. I haven't seen the AirPods Max if they have that. But I mean, this is really comfortable. Like I don't have like pressure. I've had other headphones that didn't have this, and I would literally have like a headache from here just from like how hard the top was. This has like a little cushion, so that's comfortable. These little cushions, again, they're really comfortable, extremely comfortable. Overall, the quality is really good. I think they're really good. The noise quality is good. I think everything is really good, especially for the price point. Like how much they cost. I think they're one of the better options out there if you don't want to pay 300 or for however much the Apple AirPods Max cost. I don't even know. Um, but that's my review on that. Let me know in the comments below what you all think, if you have those headphones or if you're like thinking of buying them. And also let me know if you all want a review on my Oppo Enco Buds or any other tech stuff. I don't know. I don't own a lot of crazy tech, but that's my quick little review. And I will see you all in my next video. I hope this video was helpful. Bye.